Guys, when Utirelo said that Umpumelelo, the type of relationship she has with Umpumelelo, he discusses everything with her. I thought, ah man, she's just saying that. But there's something that she said on this last episode of Izingane Zestembu that made me think, this girl, why ngathi she knows a lot? Why Tirelo knows a lot about like Mpumelelo and like indaba yasemzumbe. So you'd remember that Utirelo and Mpumelelo were basically having a conversation around this whole thing of Mpumelelo promised to actually get Utirelo a nanny and etc. And basically Mpumelelo answers by saying that you should just basically go and study online and come and stay in Mzumbe. I'm like, sir? What are you trying to say? Do you think this is the 1900s? Like, why should she even go and stay in Mzumbi? Let's even start there. So anyway, Terelo laughs and she's like, imagine me staying in Mzumbi. And I'm like, for real, guys, like, I just think Utirelo really comes from a well-off background, you guys. So to take someone's daughter from a comfortable state and then you wanna put her or dump her in Zumbi while you are going to be gallivanting in Durban and gallivanting wherever while you busy with your girlfriend and she must be raising your kids. Like no way. No way. I don't even see that for Utirelo herself. So she says something. She says that she doesn't think that Umpumelela likes staying in Mzumbe. She basically says, why would I go? Imagine me go Mzumbe. Like, why would I even want to go and stay in Mzumbe? When already Umpumelelo, it doesn't seem like he likes staying in Mzumbe. And then she finishes off her statement by saying, unfortunately, he doesn't have a choice. Let me say that again. She says that she doesn't think that Umpumelelo likes staying in Mzumbe, but unfortunately, he doesn't have a choice. And I'm just thinking to myself, there's no way that Utirelo is saying this like just out of her head, you guys. So it just goes back to how everyone has been speaking about Umpumelelo just pushing his father's agenda. And it looks like it's even to his own detriment. The only reason why he's willing to take his wives, Mzumbe, is because it's his father's plan. That's what his father has done. All his father's wives are stuck in Mzumbe because of the vision that he has. And Umpumelelo now wants to follow the very same thing, probably gonna build for Vuyogazi, and I don't even know if Vuyogazi is part of the equation, but that's basically what he wants to do. And I'm just like, but it doesn't seem like, according to Tirelo's statement, it doesn't seem like he really likes being in Mzumbe and really like wants to be there. But because of his situation, he doesn't have much of a choice. And I'm like, where's the pressure coming from? I don't get it. Well, I do get it. It's coming from the father. But at the same time, guys, have you seen Mzumbe? Mzumbe is like a rural area in a sense. It looks like in previous episodes and seasons of Utando Nestembu, we'd see like that scene where Umakumalo was driving back home. Did you see how the roads looked? Let's just start there. It looks like Mzumbe. It's a rural areas. It might not be the rural areas, but it's isolated and it looks like it's far from a lot of places. And if you are going to survive in that type of place, or things will be big, or things are much more easy in that type of environment when you have your own car, which I guess Umpumelelo does have, but it's very different from the lifestyle that he lives in Joburg or in Durban or wherever he finds himself. But I know he's in Joburg. It's very, very different. So I don't know if they were asking Uabong, I think it's on the first episode of season 2 of Isingane Zestembu, of does she choose or would she choose Mzumbe or would she choose Joburg? And it was like, definitely Joburg, because the life in Zumba and the life at Joburg is just not the same. And if you are a young person who is outgoing, like Joburg is just gonna be for you. So for just the thoughts of Umpumelelo just forcefully putting himself through that just because he feels that responsibility. I shame. I shame. I don't get it. And I really think that Utirelo was onto something. It's just that some things she can't explicitly say them. But I do think Ukel really does know, guys. She really does know a lot about Umpumelelo than maybe the other, then maybe even more than Uvuyo, guys. But let me not say that, because people's relationships, you can be dating the same man and the relationship won't be the same. But anyway, guys, tell me what you think about it. Please do make sure that you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you on the next one.